Racing Jesse started with Magdapio. Break quickly to start. I'm your lady Miss Dainties running by the rail, rushing about the outside is Give It All. The next online is Director's Play. Running by the rail is Director's Lead Gold. Show Me the Money. Director's Diva comes next. Global Warrior second less, while si Barreto is near the trailer by about 20 lengths of the leader. Racing down the backstretch, we have Give It All by about 4 lengths. Miss Dainty in second, and in third comes Magdapio. I'm Your Ladies done in fourth, and in fifth comes Director's Lead Gold. Next on Lenny Show Me the Money. Director's Play, Director's Diva is running by the rail. Then comes Global Warrior, while si Barreto is still racing in less. Another fourth turn, we have Give It All, enjoying a 4 lengths lead. Miss Dainty remains in second, then here comes Magdapio, now trying to get closer in fourth, and in fifth comes I'm Your Lady. Director's Lead Gold comes next. And as they swing to Give It All, enjoying a 4 lengths lead. Miss Dainty remains in second, Magdapio, I'm Your Ladies running by the rail. Last 100 meters, we have Give It All by about 5 lengths, followed by I'm Your Lady, and finally, the program opener, Give It All. The second is I'm Your Lady, Magdapio, Miss Dainty, Director's Play, Show Me the Money.
Okay, para sa inyong race number 1, ang ating pong unofficial winner dito, Banderang Tapos 9 horse, that's Give It All with E.G. Reyes Jr. Kung saan masisigundo dyan yung numero 5, I'm Your Lady. Tercero, numero 4, Magdapio. Numero 2, Miss Dainty. At 7, 8.